Hi, this is Adam Taylor with the ITS Group. In the last video, we took a look at how we were going to put everything together in G Suite. We're going to add our web extension and also Chrome Remote Desktop for remote console usage. In this video, we're going to push out the Chromebook app and give it a quick test. So to do that, you want to go to Device Management, Chrome Management, and we'll go to User Settings. Again, we'll go to our student OU. We'll just do a quick search for Manage Force Installed Apps. There it is. Go to the Chrome Web Store, type in LanSchool. Now we've already got the web helper from the last video. Now we're going to add the LanSchool student. Bear in mind that anyone who gets this will be visible and controllable. So you want to make sure this isn't going to any staff devices, only your student OUs. Once that's in there, hit save. And then in the bottom right corner, hit save again. There we go. We now want to go back up a layer, so we'll go back to Chrome, and this time we'll go to App Management. Here we can see the apps we've pushed out here. We'll go to the LanSchool student, go to User Settings, and we just want to go to the same OU we applied it to, which would be LanSchool. We want to make sure that Allow Installation is ticked and that Force Installation is ticked. And if you just scroll down, you should look for Configure, Upload Configuration File. Now to make the configuration file, we have a HTML template. I will put this address in the description below. If I just zoom in a little bit, all you need to do is just define the name of your school and pop in the LanSchool connection server IP address. And you also want to disable the full screen thumbnails. Everything else can stay the same it is. So school name, IP address, disable full screen thumbnails, 3 things, and then that will create the config file. Like that. It's just some very simple HTML with some settings. If you click on save, that is then going to download. The extension is .json, JSON, file name is config. Now that we've got that file, we go to upload configuration file. And we just want to upload that config file into G Suite there. That's now done. If I hit save, and that will now be pushed down to the Chromebooks. So any user who's in that OU, when they next log in, they'll just have to log out, log back in again. That will then push that down. So that's now done. That's saved. We can go out, we can go back to App Management, all the way to the top of the Google Admin, and just going to leave it open in case the worst happens. So here I have a very old Chromebook. It's one of the oldest. This is the N22 by Lenovo. I think it came out in 2012. It's still good, it still works well. So I'll just need to log into this. There we go. And it will just take a couple of seconds. And what we should now have, if I just check each layer, so there we can see it. The MAC address beginning with CB, machine name means Chromebook, good sign. Logged in with my YouTube account, just to keep it separate. Go over to the tech console. There it is. You can see the screen, see the thumbnail. Awesome. And that should also be visible to one more person, and that will be eSafety. And there it is. So that is now ready to send and receive keyword alerts. Fantastic. So I can now close the Google Admin panel. That's all done. And the G Suite deployment really did only take about 5 or 10 minutes all in. So very quick, very fast, very easy. Good reason to like Chrome. In the next video, we'll be taking a look at the dynamic class list. Then we'll be testing everything. And then after that, we'll be done. So thank you very much for watching. If you did find this video useful, please do give us a like and a comment. Really appreciate it. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next video, the last video, for dynamic class lists.